Hello guys, welcome to my channel Oratrix, and today I'm going to show you a demo on RESTful services. First demonstration. Here I'm in a different workspace where I've not enabled RESTful services, so that I can show you that how you can enable that one. So just click on this RESTful services. Just go to the kind of workspace where you have not registered it. So currently I'm utilizing this workspace institute, and I'm going to RESTful services. Then here you can see that the schema not registered with ORDS, so you are not able to execute or create any REST services with this. So first of all you need to create on this one a register schema with ORDS. So let me click on this. It will ask you to do some process. Just click on the save schema attributes and it will be created, right? So let me get back to my schema where I have implemented that one. So let me just change my browser. Okay, fine. This schema is Oratrix, in which I am implementing some applications. Let me get back to RESTful, where I have already implemented one demo for you. So first of all, we required a module, right, which can be used to retrieve data from the database. So we have already been given with the this Oracle HR. Like there are a number of modules given, and with the different method you can apply all the CRUD operation with this one. So you can take a look on this also, but we are here to create a new one. So just click on this module, and after going this, you can click on this one, create module. Okay, it will show you this particular page. You just need to provide the module name. Just provide as we have defined, there is a view underscore image. Okay, and as far as the basic path is concerned, just provide slash get slash. Okay, so likewise this one. Okay, and you get this full URL. Okay, after creating that one, after creating a particular module, you just need to go to somewhat down and create on this particular link, that is create template. So it will create a template for you like this, and you need to apply like URI template, in which I have applied like view slash curly braces ID and curly brace over. So priority will be 0 and secure hash, and everything looks good. Then just click on that create, and it will create a that handler for you. It may just a minute, it will create a template for you, and then you need to create one handler. Handler can be considered as like you can apply different CRUD operation on your database through REST API. So you can have get method, post method, delete. Okay, likewise. So just click on this create handler. It will take you to this particular page, in which you just need to pass the method, or let me just click on just create handler, so that I can show you how it looks. It's look like this. Okay, here you need to select the post, put, or delete, or you can have, we have already get method, so it will not listed. And just pass the query over here. So I'm not going to create this one. I've already created this get method. Okay, so base path would be this, URI template is this will be automatically created. I've selected the get method, and my source type is a media resource. Okay, so on one table we are currently working, so let me take you to that table so that you can understand how the data is been retrieved. So it would be like select stuff from this table name. So there are a number of data available, right? So as far as the images is concerned, what we are trying to achieve is whenever you are entering your this ID, product ID, then it will return the product image, right? So we require this product image, this MIME type, and this product ID. So we needs to work on this 3 column values. So let me get back to our RESTful page. So you need to select that MIME type, then product image, and from demo information, where product ID is equals to colon ID, and this ID will be passed by the user, or it depends on your requirement how you wants to pass this one. Okay, so everything looks good now. So we have created our first RESTful services. So it's time to check whether it is working or not. So if you don't want to go into like developing an application and page and test it, so rather we can test it from URL. So just click on this tab, and just go to your new tab and just paste it, and just provide the ID and press enter. Right, so you can see this shirt, so which has been on the this page. Okay, the first one, business shirt. So we can have like ladies shoes, so we have to pass this ID would be 6, and we get this lady shoes. So so whatever the ID you are providing, so on the basis of that, let's say for example men's shoes is on 9, so whatever the ID you are providing, so it will return the image view, right? So this is the first demo, and soon we will be working in some depth part on this particular topic also, RESTful services. And I would suggest you to have take a look on this example.hr also. So it will give you a brief on different methods, how to create it, like get is already there, and you know that put method is already there. So there are a number of things already provided, and with the you know some complex data structure also given. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you have any doubt or any specific thing, then just comment here. Subscribe this channel to get some more videos on Oracle Apex. Thank you so much.